Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm going to show you just a couple things that are going out and some things that I found recently. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of my garage, and we're going to go over some cool items today, and I want to make sure that you guys learn a thing or two about them. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and don't forget to get the free guide, which is right here. It's the first link down below. Also puts you on a list to get you a special deal for next week on a brand new guide called RC to Bucks. It's going to be amazing. So make sure you pick that up when it comes out. Special deal all of next week. Okay, so in this video, we're going to go over just some quick finds, nothing crazy, and 3 things are going out. I want to make sure you guys know about it. One of the things that's going out was on a video yesterday. It's a Nico Lobo picture right here. If you want to see more about that buggy, see yesterday's video. It's pretty cool. I'll kind of talk a whole lot about it. But so let's take a look at what's going out and some of the things that I picked up recently. So that Nico Lobo is sitting in here. It's a pretty awesome box. eBay boxes, eBay tape. I'm all about eBay. Okay, so that Lobo was $6.48. It sold for $80, and it was a really good find. See yesterday's video, and you can learn a little bit more about that RC buggy that is in here. This is a Lee Storm Rider in here. It's a denim jacket. It was found new with tags. I think I didn't even put it on a vlog or anything like that. That sold for like $150 or something like that. I think it was $20 out the door if I'm not mistaken. And it's going out in a priority shoebox really, but there's a jacket in here. And you can see I put 2 colors of eBay tape right there. So this Lee Storm Rider is a really neat jacket. It almost looked like it had a Pendleton interior to it. But that one sold for $150, and I bought it for $20 about maybe 2 weeks ago or something like that. All right, something that's in here, a Woolrich large field jacket kind of looking thing. Nothing crazy. This sold for $70 this morning while I was working out at the gym. And I think I'm about $10 into this, potentially maybe 12. It's going out in a padded flat rate envelope. You can get this stuff free on USPS.com. And so that jacket was fitting in there pretty good. I got the purple tape on this one. Crazy, right? Let's talk about some cool things that I found recently. All right, so here's some On Helion shoes. These should sell for around $70. I think I'm 17 into them. About 70, maybe 75, something like that. But these are made by On, which is a Swiss company that makes running shoes. And let's take a look at the bottom, and the bottom looks really good. Typically when I buy running shoes or trail running shoes, I'm buying them in conditions like this. So it's a nice shoe. It even has the little plastic thing inside showing, care on how to wash the thing, But it's a Helion model. Very good condition. Look out for this brand On. And on the back, it'll have an O and an N. Great brand to resell. It's been around for like 10 years now. Oh, another pair of Chacos found. See, these are ZX2s. And the interesting thing about Chacos is if you're wondering, I don't know what model mine are or whatever, so you're going to kind of have to hunt around, and you can find these little clips, and right around those clips are sometimes little product codes. So I think it's maybe on this one. See if we can find it here on the video. But yeah, you have to look really carefully, and you can find them every now and then. Here we go. All right, so it's on this strap. So it's close to that end of the strap. And this one right here, if you put in the number, which is a J105514, that'll yield thin strap, and you'll get the color code for this thing. And plus, it shows that it's a ZX2, which is a nice wanted model out there. The underside looks pretty good. A little nubby on nubby, right? A little bit, but nevertheless in great condition. It's a women's 10 with 2 dots on each side, so that means it's a medium. If it had a dash on each side, it would be considered a wide, but a dot on each side is considered medium. Pretty good condition with the toe loop. Looks amazing. They should sell for right around $55 to $60. I think I am like 7 into these. Interesting find from last week too. This was at a Savers. I believe this was around $10, maybe 15. And this is a CCD TRV68 high 8 camcorder, and it came with the wall, power unit plug thing, and there's a battery on the back, which is cool. So basically you plug this into the back of that, throw it into a wall, and then let it charge for like 4 hours, then take it off. And then basically you can test this thing to see if the battery works. The batteries usually keep a little bit of charge, but not too much. But it's pretty easy. On these camcorders, you have a player function, which means the playback, so you can watch it on the screen, which is right here, right? And then it also has the middle point setting, which is just the off setting, which is where it charges at. So there's only two settings you need to really know: the player setting and the camera setting. Once it's in camera setting, throw your little hand through here, press that button, make sure there's a high 8 tape inside, which goes on the top right here, and off you go. You can actually start recording and testing it out. It's very easy. And these are very much wanted too because they have night shot on the side. The ones that have the actual screens that pop out are very much wanted. And a lot of times they'll have a light in the front too. You probably want to test that out a little bit. But this is a pretty good condition CCD TRV68. This is a very awesome camera, especially for like transfer type stuff. People like to transfer their old tapes to other media, you know, so that way they can access it much faster. And so you need something like this to do the transfer. This did not come with audio cables or anything like that, so that has to be disclosed, but it did come with a manual, a bag, some filters, and this is really important right here. So if you have this kind of combo right now, it's probably worth about 120 bucks. But if you had everything with the AV cables and everything, and it looked real cherry and it had like basically no scratches on it, you could probably get honestly like 200 bucks for it. So pretty good hustle. Found that at a Savers. Also, you see this right here? This is a Kelty FC 1.0 kid carrier. It's in mint condition. It was 15 bucks. It's probably worth about 70 local sale. I did find a Deuter, D-E-U-T-E-R, pack at the thrift store the other day. And I sold that one yesterday. So I found this one and this other one right next to each other for 15 bucks a piece. I sold the Deuter one for, or Deuter, whatever you call it, for 50 bucks yesterday locally. It did have a crack on one of the little pieces down here. I failed to see it. So still sold, maybe 35 bucks, nothing crazy. This is a really good brand right here, Kelty. You're gonna wanna look for Deuter, Kelty, and Osprey when you're dealing with kid packs like this. Always make sure to test out everything, including all the clips and everything, especially the clips that are up here that fasten the little kiddo into the pack. This one's in great condition. And I can tell it's mint because there's even like a little thing where the tag would have gone, you know, for the thing right there. So yeah, I mean, you can kind of tell this is super mint. Great condition. It's probably worth around 70 bucks local. As I was filming this video, these things basically sold for $82. So $12 more than what I said, but they just sold just now. So that was nice. I'll take that. But some things I wanted to teach you guys about. Hopefully you enjoy videos like this. They're a little bit less formal, but I can bang them out all the time, and you know, you guys can learn a whole bunch based upon videos like this, so that's cool. Don't forget to get that free guide that's down below, and make sure you represent the Bonafide Hustler and learn your RC game. That's next week. The special deal is going to be going through the entire week, and if you want to pick it up for a crazy discount, it's going to be next week. So it opens on Monday. That's when the guide comes out. It's going to be sick. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.